So hello dear student, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic from the JEE main point of view, that is nothing but the differential equation. In this particular session we are going to discuss about what is differential equation, what is the meaning of differential equation, what is the order of the differential equation, what is the degree of the differential equation, what is linear differential equation, what is non-linear differential equation, as well as the questions related to the differential equations, right? So let us discuss what is the differential equation. What is the meaning of differential? Differential is nothing but the derivative. An equation which involves the derivative of the function is known as differential equation. What do you mean of derivative? dy by dx is derivative with respect to x, double derivative with respect to x. So the equation which involve these type of functions are known as differential equation, right? So let us discuss about the definition of the differential equation. An equation involving the derivative of the differential equation of one or more dependent variables with respect to the one or more independent variables is called as differential equation. So what is the meaning of dependent variable? What is independent variable? Let us assume that there is a function y equal to f of x. So what is x? X is nothing but our input quantities, and according to the values of x, our output will be defined, right? So can I say that x is nothing but treated as independent variable because we can put any value of x? Depending on the values of x, y will be defined. So what is y? Y is known as dependent variable because y is depend on x. So I hope dependent variable and independent variables are clear. What is the meaning of dependent variable and independent variable? So what is differential equation? The equation which involves derivative or differential of one or more dependent variables with respect to the one or more independent variable is called as differential equation. So let us discuss the first example. What is first example? dy by dx plus xy equal to sin x. As we can see in this particular equation, we have the term dy by dx also, we have equation also, right? So this is called as differential equation. In the second example also, can I say that double derivative is present here? Double differentiation of y with respect to x, as well as signal differentiation is also present. And this is the equation also, equal symbol, right? So this type of equations are known as differential equation. The third example, this is also a differential equation. I hope you already know what is the symbol of this. This is known as partial differentiation with respect to the x. The function is z. Partial differentiation of z with respect to x. So this is also known as differential equation. So what are the varieties of differential equation? There are two types of differential equation. First one is ordinary differential equation. Second one is partial differential equation. We will discuss both. In our syllabus, we have ordinary differential equation. Partial differential equation we don't have in our JEE main syllabus, that how to solve the partial differential equation. For that, it is a BTech syllabus. So let us discuss on the ordinary differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation? A differential equation involving the derivative with respect to the single independent variable. There will be always one independent variable in the whole equation. See the first example. dy by dx plus xy equal to sin x, right? I can say with respect to the x, we have this differential equation. So that is known as ordinary differential equation. Independent variable is only one, which is x. Here also double derivative and single derivative with respect to x. So this is also known as ordinary differential equation. So what is partial differential equation? In the partial differential equation, the equation which involves its partial derivative. It means this type of symbols are there. Partial differentiation of y with respect to x. As we can see the first example, do we have differential equation? Yes, we have differential equation. What are the symbols? Delta y upon delta x. Partial differentiation of y with respect to x. Here we have partial differences of z with respect to I as well as with respect to s. So this is known as partial differential equation. Second one is also known as partial differential equation. This is not our JEE mains level, so we will not go in deep what is a partial differential equation. We will only discuss what is ordinary differential equation. So if we have the differential equation, how to find the order of the differential equation? What is the meaning of order of the differential equation? Order of the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation is called as order of the differential equation. Suppose that we have dy by dx in the equation, so this is known as first order. If we have double derivative, that is known as second order. Triple derivative, which can be also written as y triple dash, this is known as third order. So in the differential equation, we have many orders in the equation. Maybe we have first order also, second order also, third order also. Out of that differential equation, out of that derivative, we have to check which is the highest derivative present in the differential equation. See the first example. We have dy by dx side. Only one term we have, derivative term, that is dy by dx. So I can say this is first order differential equation. In the second example, we have two derivatives, a double derivative also, single derivative also. Out of that, these two derivatives, which have the highest order? I can say second order, right? So answer is second order is the order of this differential equation. In the third one, what is y triple dash? That is nothing but triple derivative. We have double derivative also, triple derivative also, but which one is the highest out of them? That is third order. So third order differential equation. All other differential equation, we have first equation as first order, second equation is second order, third equation is third order differential equation. Now let us moving on the degree of the differential equation. What is the meaning of degree of the differential equation? Degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest derivative present in a differential equation. Degree of the highest derivative. Remember this point, degree of the highest derivative. After the differential equation are removed from the radical and fractional power with respect to the derivative should not contain any radical power, either the fractional power. As we can see, note point, in a differential equation, all the derivative must be written in a polynomial format. There should not be any power -1, 3 by 2, something like that. Then we will find the degree of the differential equation. What is degree of the differential equation? Degree of the highest derivative. If you notice the first question, what is the derivative present? Only one derivative. What is its power? I can say dy by dx power is 1, right? Whole power. So I can say this is first order, first degree and first order differential equation. In the second question, we have power 3 by 2, right? It is a radical power. Inside dy by dx is given. So dy by dx contains a radical power. I have to remove this 3 by 2. How to remove? I will do the whole square on both the sides. Now if I open the whole cube, I will always get a integers power, right? Natural numbers power basically. So I can say in this particular equation we have second order also, third order also. But what I discussed, the degree of the highest derivative. I can say the degree of the highest derivative is second. Order is also 2, degree is also 2. Moving on the third one. What is third one? E to the power of triple derivative minus x double derivative plus y equal to 0. So can I say that this equation is exponential format in terms of derivative? How to remove this? what I will do, I will write the expansion of e to power x. What is expansion? 1 plus y triple dash plus y triple dash whole square upon factorial 2 plus powers will increase or not, minus x y double dash plus y. If you notice the triple dash, which is the third order differential equation, powers are increasing. So which is the highest degree? Can I say that highest degree is not defined? Because it will increase and increase, right? So I can say degree of the differential equation is not defined while the order is 3 because triple derivative is present. So we discuss the first example, how to find the linear differential equation, the degree. Second, if it is radical power, then how to solve. Third one, it is exponential. We know the exponential format, expansion, right? So I can say the conclusion is, if it is written in exponential format, sin x, sin inverse x, the derivative, ln x, all these questions, degree is not defined. Let us move on the linear and non-linear differential equation. What is a linear differential equation? A differential equation is called as linear differential equation if every dependent variable and every derivative involves occur in the first degree only. The degree should be first. Double derivative degree should be first. Linear derivative degree should be first. No product of dependent variable or its derivative occurs. No product. It means dy by dx into double derivative plus xy equal to 2. This type of questions should not be there, where the derivatives should not be multiplied. See the first one. Example, dy by dx plus xy equal to sin x. Can I say that we have first order as well as first degree as well as what is dy by dx power? It is 1. So I can say this is nothing but the linear differential equation. So moving on the second example. What is second example? K double derivative equal to 1 plus single derivative whole square 3 by 2, right? If I do the whole square in both the sides, I can say this will be not a linear power, right? So it is known as non-linear differential equation. What is the meaning of non-linear differential equation? The equation which is not linear differential equation is known as non-linear differential equation. See the third one. Again, we can write the expansion. What I will get? 1 plus y triple derivative plus triple derivative whole square upon factorial 2 and so on. So again, I can say this is a non-linear differential equation. So moving on the next question. What is your question? Comment on order, degree, as well as classify them that it is a linear differential equation or non-linear differential equation. So out of these examples, we will discuss what is the order of the differential equation, what is the degree of the differential equation, it is a linear differential equation or not. By looking on the question, we can comment on the order of the differential equation. So can you comment what is order of the differential equation? First one, the highest derivative is 2, so order is 2. The second one, again highest derivative is 2, I can say order is 2. Here we have single derivative, again order is 1. Here we have double derivative, so order is 2. By looking on the questions, we can directly comment what should be the order, what should be the degree. Here we have double derivative, right? Order will be 2. Here we have triple derivative, order will be 3. So by looking on the question directly, we can comment what should be the order, what should be the degree. Now let us comment on the degree. As we can see, this equation is written in the polynomial format, right? So what is the highest derivative power? That is written as 3. So degree will be 3. Next one. If you notice, In this question, we have radical powers, right? How to remove this radical power? I will do the whole square. If I do the whole square, what I will get? I will get something like this. Still, we have radical power 1 by 5, right? Again, I have to remove 1 by 5. How to remove? Can I write this thing as whole square minus 1 equal to dy by dx power 1 by 5? How to remove this 1 by 5? Again, I will do the whole power 5. Now, if I open the binomial formula, a minus b whole power 5, right? 5c0 and all these things. So can I say that all the powers are removed from the radical power? What is the highest degree I will get? If I open, highest degree will be 2 to the power 5, which is nothing but 10. So degree of the differential equation is nothing but 10 here. Clear or not? If I open the binomial formula, what is the first term I will get? 5c0 first term to the power 5. First term is already square. Power is 5. So what is total power? Total power will be 10. So degree of the highest derivative is nothing but 10. Remaining we will get also the degree, but that is not the highest degree. See the next one. In the next one, we cannot comment the degree directly because the term is given as dx upon dy. So can I write dx upon dy as, this is what, y dash plus 1 plus y equal to 1 upon y dash. Because y dash is what, dy by dx. Cross multiply. What I will get? Y dash whole square plus y into y dash equal to 1. So which is the highest degree I got? I got the y dash highest degree is 2. So I can say the degree of the differential equation is nothing but 2. Moving on the next example, fourth one. Right now, can I say this is sin x? Because of sin x, it is not written in a polynomial format. So I have to remove the sin x. How to remove the sin x? Can I write this thing? Sin inverse y. Derivative should be written in the polynomial format. I can say dy by dx is written in the polynomial format. Double derivative is also a polynomial format. Sin inverse y, this is not a derivative. So this can be any function. It can be IT function. It can be a trigonometric function. We don't consider this thing as a degree, in a degree. So here, what is the degree? Degree, I will say it is 1 because the highest derivative is 1, right? It is also a polynomial format in terms of derivative. Moving on the fifth one. If you notice in the fifth one, we have sin x and we have its derivative which is present inside the sin. If I will remove the sin, what I will get? I will get sin inverse, which is also not possible in terms of derivatives. So I cannot write this particular equation in terms of polynomial equation. Either sin will be left, either sin inverse will be left. If sin and sin inverse will be left in terms of derivative, we will write the expression. So degree of this equation is not defined because ultimately degree will be infinity and that is not defined. Similarly, on the question number 6, I can say this is triple derivative, right? In terms of ln, I cannot remove this ln, right? What I can do? Ln is given y cube, triple derivative equal to x, y double derivative minus y. If I remove the ln, it will become e to the power of x, y double dash minus y. Again, it is an exponential function, right? Which is also not possible. So in this scenario, degree is also not defined. What is degree? Not defined. Now comment which one is a differential equation, which one is not a differential equation. How to comment? First one, which one is a linear differential equation, which one is not a linear differential equation? First one is non-linear differential equation, right? Because degree is more than 1. Second one is also non-linear differential equation. Third one is also non-linear differential equation. Fourth one is linear differential equation. Why? Because its degree is nothing but the 1. Fifth one, of course, non-linear differential equation. And the last one is also a non-linear differential equation. So only the fourth one is a linear differential equation, remaining are the non-linear differential equation. So I hope this session is good for you. Just revise all these points, and based on that you can solve any question based on the order and differential equation. So thank you everyone.